Hey freelancers! Choosing the right funnel builder can make or break your business. Today we're comparing GoHighLevel and ClickFunnels to see which one's best for you. Let's dive in. First, GoHighLevel. It's an all-in-one platform built for agencies and freelancers. You get tools for building funnels, landing pages, and websites, plus a CRM to manage clients, email and SMS marketing, and appointment scheduling. It's great for handling multiple clients at once with features like white labeling to brand it as your own. Plans start at $97 a month and it's got a steeper learning curve but packs a ton of tools. Now ClickFunnels. This is a focused tunnel builder perfect for creating high converting sales funnels fast. It's super easy to use with drag and drop templates for landing pages, webinars, and e-commerce. It's ideal for freelancers who want simple, polished funnels without extra bells and whistles. Pricing starts at $147 a month, but it needs third-party tools for things like CRM or advanced automation. So how do they stack up? GoHighLevel is better for freelancers juggling multiple clients or needing CRM and automation in one place. It's cheaper and more versatile, but takes time to learn. ClickFunnels is best for beginners or those focused only on funnels. It's user-friendly with great templates, but less robust and pricier. If you want simplicity, go ClickFunnels. If you need an all-in-one tool, GoHighLevel is your pick. Choose based on your needs. ClickFunnels for quick funnels, GoHighLevel for scaling with clients. Drop a comment with your pick and subscribe for more tips.